Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first we have to open the phone dialer, then we have to click on the contacts, pick one of it, then click on the edit button in the right upper corner and then scroll down until you find the ringtone. So click on it once, and here you can simply pick the default ringtones. But also you can pick the custom one from the tone store on download purchase tones. So right here, if you pick any of this default of this custom sound, you can just buy it right here, and you can also go for the search if you are looking for something else. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.